Welcome to Windsor, Ontario, home to one of the busiest border crossings between Canada and the United States, the Ambassador Bridge. Today, we delve into the bustling truck traffic on Huron Church Road and its impact on the local community. Residential neighbourhoods, shopping centres, and the University of Windsor all fall close to this busy road. There have been times a wall of trucks up to 8 kilometres or 5 miles long on Huron Church Road sat at a standstill heading to the Ambassador Bridge. Every day, an average of over 10,000 trucks travel to and from the United States and Canada across the Ambassador Bridge. This constant flow of truck traffic brings with it a host of challenges. Congestion on Huron Church Road is a common sight, leading to delays, increased pollution, noise pollution, and stress on the infrastructure. Efforts to address traffic crowding and improve air quality along Huron Church Road are crucial for mitigating the environmental and health impacts associated with truck traffic in the area. The highest air quality index recorded for Huron Church Road in Windsor, Ontario was 187. Which falls under the category of unhealthy. This reading was reported during a period when air quality in Windsor was considered on par or worse than Detroit, which had an air quality index of 168 at the same time. Elevated ground ozone levels and smoke from wildfires contributed to the poor air quality in the region, leading to an air quality statement being issued by Environment Canada. Five specific pollutants released daily by trucks on Huron Church Road in Windsor include carbon monoxide, a poisonous, flammable gas that is colorless, odorless, and tasteless; sulfur dioxide, a toxic gas responsible for the odor of burnt matches; nitric oxide, a vasodilator that relaxes blood vessels and lowers blood pressure; nitrogen dioxide may decrease lung function and increase the risk of respiratory symptoms such as acute bronchitis and cough and phlegm, particularly in children. Finally, particulate matter. There is no safe level of particulates. This matter can penetrate deep into the lungs and brain from bloodstreams, causing health problems such as heart disease, lung disease, and premature death. These pollutants contribute to poor air quality in the region, leading to health concerns and environmental impacts. Studies have linked traffic-related pollution, including diesel exhaust emissions, to elevated respiratory illnesses and other health issues. Although the air quality in Windsor is influenced by various factors, the truck traffic is one issue being addressed by upgraded infrastructure. The Herb Gray Parkway is a vital infrastructure project designed to alleviate some of the pressure on Huron Church Road. This modern expressway provides a smoother route for traffic heading to the border, reducing congestion and improving overall truck flow. That said, we still see traffic backed up on Huron Church Road to cross the Ambassador Bridge. Another infrastructure solution is currently under construction. The Gordie Howe International Bridge promises a new era for cross-border travel. Once operational, it is expected to divert a significant portion of truck traffic away from Huron Church Road, easing congestion and improving local air quality. While Huron Church Road has long been synonymous with truck traffic congestion and its associated challenges, developments like the Herb Gray Parkway and the upcoming Gordie Howe Bridge offer hope for a more efficient and sustainable future. I agree. The upgraded infrastructure is sure to make a positive impact on the lives of Windsor citizens and the surrounding businesses, community, physically, mentally, and financially. The question is, by upgrading the flow of truck traffic and moving it a few kilometers down the Detroit River, going to make a substantial difference to Windsor's air quality? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. My name is Bob Jones, and I will see you in the next video.